Are you tired of spending hours sifting through long notes and endless videos just to study? In this video, I'll introduce you to a free AI study companion that makes the learning process faster and easier. So whether you're cramming for exams or you're just trying to keep up with class, this tool will transform how you study. Hi, my name is Lenny and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I provide tutorials on amazing AI tools that will make your life better and easier. So do subscribe to my channel and also stick around to the end of this video. Now let's dive right in. So the first step is to come to this free AI study companion tool. Start here the tutorial. I just want to walk you through some of the features of this tool, and I'm going to leave a link to this tool in the description box as well for easy navigation. So the first feature is the study AI feature, which essentially is AI powered notes. So basically it just sees the gist and key details of any document, and it helps you understand important concepts with access to the document. It could be videos, it could be audios as well. And then the other feature those two has is what they call Albert AI, which essentially is like your AI knowledge companion. So it's powered by an advanced model trained on millions of documents, and it's ready to answer any question you may have about the document you upload or about any other documents as well. And then the other feature is the flashcards, which essentially is AI generated flashcards, which is an easy way for you to review content and build your understanding. And the other feature as well is Learn AI, which is also an AI powered active record. So it helps you, you get to quiz yourself on content that you upload, and you're able to use AI to identify and target your reach areas through specific assignments. And then the last two features includes like an advanced performance tracking. So essentially it's an easy way for you to review the content you upload and also build your understanding. You get to know how well you're doing, how well you understand the documents. The last feature is the hyper personalization and repetition feature, which helps you improve your weaknesses and also train your knowledge based on thousands of other questions. So now that I have talked a bit about the features of this tool, let's dive right into the tutorial. So the first step is to sign up on this platform, and you can sign up with a Gmail account, or you could sign up with your Apple account or just any other email you may have. And once you sign up, it will bring you to this dashboard. And on this dashboard, basically you can choose whether you want to upload a video. Let's say you have an hour video you need to watch about a tutorial, and you don't have time to watch the full hour video. You can just upload the video in here, and it's basically gonna generate some notes for you. You could also upload a document, or you could upload an audio. So I'm gonna start with uploading a video. So I'm just gonna upload my YouTube video, and I'm gonna just select a link, and I'm gonna select a link to my tutorial, and I'm gonna click generate. Okay, so as you can see, our notes have been generated for us. This is my previous tutorial where I shared a free AI tool that allows you to create your own AI token avatar. But as you can see, notes have been extracted from this particular tutorial, about an 8 minutes long tutorial, but then you could basically have all this summarized in notes for you. The other feature I talked about, it is Albert AI. It basically allows you to ask any question with regards to the content that was uploaded on the dashboard. So for instance, I could ask you which tools were talked about in the tutorial, in the video. As you can see, it's giving me all the tools that were talked about in the video. The other option or the other feature here, which I talked about earlier, is the Learn feature, which essentially is some form of like general assessment just to see how well you understand the content. So for instance, it's asking me a question here: what is the first step to create a custom avatar for your YouTube channel? So assuming I have read all the notes, I'll be able to select what the right answer is from here. I suspect is to sign up for the account, which I got right. The other feature I want to talk about as well is the flashcards feature, where you're able to further build your understanding on the topic provided in the video. So for instance, if I click on avatar, then it just means what avatar means. If I move on to the next one, watermark, it just means what watermark means. So basically, I believe that this tool is actually a game changer, especially if you're studying right now, you're doing your bachelor's, you're doing your master's degree, you're doing a PhD, and you have to go through lots of videos, a lot of research papers. This is a game changer, guys. This would definitely transform your study time and would make your study time even a lot more fun. And you can do all these on the free version. You don't need to pay for it, but if you want to, comment that you do so as well, because it would definitely be worth the money. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you haven't watched my last video, it's a tutorial on how to clean audio noise from your YouTube videos or your podcast. So I would encourage you to watch that as well. I'll leave it on the screen so that you can go check it out. But for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.